I love organizing, but sometimes I just want some easy solutions to keep things organized. So I have 6 organizing hacks that are going to help you get organized quickly. Well, who am I? I'm Jessica, the Organized Mama, and I help families with practical tips, tricks, and tutorials that anyone in the family can follow. For over 8 years, I've been helping families get organized, and now I'm here to help you with 6 easy organizing hacks. First hack is using shelf liner on your wire shelving. I love using shelf liner on wire shelves because it basically creates a smooth surface for you so things don't get all like wonky on the shelves. This is perfect if you want to store bins, baskets, or even just like products on your wire shelves. I love using them for pantries, cleaning closets. Even if you have wire shelves in your bedroom, using shelf liner is going to be key to creating that smooth surface without redoing your entire closet. Hack number 2 is use magazine holders to organize your papers. Now, there is a statistic going around that says about 80% of the papers that you file away, you never look at again, which is basically just a whole bunch of clutter sitting in your house. Instead, use magazine holders to organize your papers that you need and want to look at again. By creating a filing cabinet system using the magazine holders, you're going to be able to keep your papers organized and have them easily accessible. Because let's think about this. You go into your filing cabinet, right? And then you have to like search through or dig through all of your papers and files in order to find exactly what you're looking for. Well, if you use a magazine holder and give each magazine holder a specific category, then you're going to be able to find the papers you need much quicker, which means you are going to use that paper far more than you would if you filed it away in your filing cabinet. Now, this doesn't work for everyone, but if you find yourself like spending too much time looking for files, try magazine holders. Hack number 3 is to use trays to keep your countertops tidy. Now, if you're following me over on TikTok, you know I'm a huge fan of organizing with trays. So because of that, that is my hack number 3. The reason why I love using trays to like contain clutter is because it gives it a designated spot. It isn't as deep as a bin, so things don't get like lost in the bottom of the bin because trays, you know, they just have like a small lip. So if you have papers, if you have like stuff from your pockets, basically anything that typically you find on the counters can easily be corralled in a tray. And this will help keep your like countertops organized. I also use trays to hold my coffee maker. I keep my juicer on a tray because I have not installed it properly and juice got everywhere, but because it was on a tray, I just had to take the tray and like go and clean that off in the sink rather than like it going everywhere all over my counter. I also use trays on nightstands to keep items contained in bedrooms, in bathrooms. I use trays everywhere, so I think it is a great hack to keep you organized. Hack number 4 has to do with drawers. So when you open those drawers and things start to slide around, do you notice how annoying that is? I know I do. I really hate when things slide or move around in a drawer. And I've tried that museum gel on like the base of like drawer organizers, but I don't love it because it leaves like a sticky, tacky goo residue on the drawer. Instead, I do this, and this is hack number 4, is using drawer liner inside my drawers so things don't slide around. This works wonders for your serveware. If you store serveware in drawers or have pull-out cabinet drawers, using shelf liner and then placing your serveware on top, it's going to keep your things from sliding all over the place. So in our kitchen, we have all drawers. We did not put in any upper cabinets because the kitchen we remodeled had 1 drawer. Well, 2 drawers, but the other one really didn't count as a drawer because it was like so narrow. So because of that, I wanted a lot of drawers. But Plates, cups, dishes, bowls, everything had to go in a drawer. And that's when I found grippy shelf liner to be the key to keeping everything from sliding all over the place. Hack number 5 is keeping your sheets in a basket. Okay, you know, I've given tutorials too on how to fold a fitted sheet, but not everyone enjoys folding a fitted sheet. Not everyone finds it easy. Instead, get a basket and throw your sheets in the basket. Guess what? Your linen closet's going to be organized because your sheet's in the actual basket, but you don't have to fold anything. It's so much easier, which is why that's hack number 5. Hack number 6 is to use under bed storage the smart way. Now, under bed storage really is not something I encourage people to do if you have the space for it to go elsewhere. For us, under our bed, we store the leaves of our dining room table because there is nowhere else for them to go. They need to be laid flat, so storing it under our bed works. That's the only thing we store under our bed. My kids' rooms, they have some things that they like and that they want to store, but we don't always have the floor space for it. So we created pull-out storage to go underneath the kids' beds. This is just a piece of wood and some furniture movers that they can pull out from underneath their bed so that they can use it to play with their Legos. My son has a Lego train set and it needed a hard surface to be on. This was perfect for that. And now his Legos have a spot to go under his bed and all he has to do is pull it out to play with. I have tons more organizing hacks over on the blog. You can find that where you're watching this video. Love what you see? Don't forget to subscribe. New videos